Hello world, welcome to another video from the Sphinx channel. In this video, I will teach you how to turn your flash drive into a hacking tool to steal information from a system just by using notepad. By connecting that flash drive to the target system, you can copy all the information of that system into the flash drive without any special movements or traces. Even if someone looks at the monitor of the target system all the time, he will not see anything, but don't forget that this video is made for educational purposes only. You can try what you are learning now on your system, but don't try it on another person's system without permission, because it's considered a crime and you will be guilty. Try to always be a white hat. Before we start, the statistical analysis of my channel shows that only about 40% of people who watch my videos subscribe to my channel. So please subscribe if you like this content to support me. If this video was useful for you, please like it and tell me your opinion in the comments below. By doing this, you have helped the growth and development of my channel. Let's start. Open Notepad. We are supposed to have 4 files in the flash drive, so let's make them. Don't forget to format the flash first so that you have enough space and don't encounter any errors. The first file we create is an empty folder, which we call, for example, all. So let's create it. We make the rest of the files with notepad. For the second file, type what I'm writing in your notepad. Now name it autorun and write its format inf, and save it. Type the third file exactly as I am typing. Name it file and write its format as bat. Enter these codes into the notepad. Name it invisible and format it as VBS. And as for the last file, type this. Now name it launch and set its format to bat. Well, our file collection is ready. Copy them into the flash drive. Now this flash drive is ready to install any system. Just connect it to a system. Let's try it. I connect to my system. As you can see, the antivirus doesn't show any reaction to it. So we wrote a good code. Wait patiently. The file transfer speeds depend on the power of the flash drive. If it's USB 3, the transfer will be much faster. If I refresh, you can see that it's filling up and transferring the file without any trace. I just want to tell you that sometimes, especially if the system is old, when you connect the flash drive, the codes don't run because the system autorun does not work properly, which in this case in an unwanted exception that works for the benefit of the system. If you encounter this problem, quickly double click the launch button inside the flash. It starts working without any traces. Well, thank you for being with me until the end of this video. Don't forget to support me with the simple tasks, subscribe and like, so that I can share more and attractive videos with you. Until the next video, keep cool and stay anonymous.